Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Mariah DeVita here. Hello to all my new subscribers. How are you guys? We're gonna jump right into this look. I already started off with my base and everything, and my brows done. I'm just going into this orange shade from my Sugar Pill Burning Hearts palette, and I'm starting off small, building up to my intensity until I am satisfied with my transition color using windshield wiper motions. Then of course I'm going to be taking, that's an Morphe E22 blending brush, and I'm using my face powder to blend out the edges of my crease. Now to add dimension and to smoke out this look, I am taking the black shadow from the Huda Beauty's Smoky Obsessions palette. Like I said in my previous video, I'm hitting pan on that. I already hit pan on it, and like it's such a dark, easily blendable black eyeshadow. I'm just etching that on the outer V of my lids. I'm doing this on purpose because of the kind of technical look that I'm going for. This is a collab with my girl Infinite Artistry, as you saw her in the intro, and we decided to do a look inspired by like Plouise. I don't know if it's Plouise or Plouise. I say Plouise, but because it's a P. Louise, but whatever. I'll leave their Instagram like page in the description bar below. But yes, I'm just working that black color out of my outer V, and then I go back and forth to blend the orange and the black together. Now in this clip that you're watching, I'm cutting my lid using my Inglot gel liner in number 94. Again, I took this tip from Makeup with Jaw here on YouTube. This just gives me like a clean lid and precise line whenever I'm doing like a full out cut crease, or like half cut crease in this case. And I'm just building up that product and slowly working until I'm satisfied with the line. The brush that I'm using is an e.l.f. It's called a concealer brush, but really and truly it's really small, so I like to use it because it gets into the details that I need. So now I'm taking Got Milk from the Silver Beauty's Cupcakes and Monsters palette, and I am patting that all over my lids until I am satisfied with the opacity of that eyeshadow. I don't know what it is with like UK and Ireland artists, but their blending game is on point, you guys. Like, they play no games. So when you're doing looks like this, you're gonna have to take your time with blending, especially. It's 2018. Say no to unblended eyeshadow, okay? Bless up. So I'm going back into the same brush that I used earlier to add that black, and I'm etching that and blending that into the white. Then I'm going back with the same brush that I used to apply the white and blending out the transition between those two colors until I'm satisfied with the blend. Once that is said and done, I go in and add the black to my lower lash line to further smoke out the look. Now I'm showing you guys I'm doing my liquid liner. I'm using the NYC Black Liquid Liner to do a nice dramatic wing. And then once I'm satisfied with my wing, I go over just like the first 3/4 of my lid, not all the way to the end. I'm using the NYX Vivid White Liner. I know it's white on white, but it still makes the look pop a little bit more. Plouise, I'm just going to say Plouise, they're big on liner work as well, so I wanted to add that element into the look. For my lips, I'm using MAC's Chestnut Lip Pencil. And then I'm taking Honey Love matte lipstick to apply to the center. And then once I blend my lips together, to top everything off, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some good old clear lip gloss. This particular clear lip gloss, I usually love using the MAC lip gloss, but this one is from the beauty supply store. I've been trying to find like cheaper dupes, and this is pretty good. So yeah, this is the final look. Please go ahead and check out my girl Infinite Artistry, Felicia, here on YouTube. Subscribe to her channel. Her work is phenomenal, and she did a bomb ass like bright look. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any requests, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye loves.